Good morning. My name is Dean Strothman. I'm the Vice President of Sales for Vanair. I wanted to take the opportunity to welcome everyone to the Vanair booth here for Work Truck Week 2024. I just had a big announcement to make here before I hand the microphone off to my colleague John Dunn here. John's going to give a press release here on some new products that we have. But first, I wanted to take the opportunity to announce again to the NTEA and to the members and attendees here that here in 2024, Vanair has made an acquisition. We made an acquisition of a company by the name of EPEQ Idle Management. EPEQ Idle Management is a company that was committed to producing auto start-stop technology, and this particular acquisition allowed Vanair to acquire patented technology that allowed us to be able to further enhance our position to be able to extend vehicle life, reduce fuel costs, reduce maintenance costs, and reduce CO2 emissions in the work truck market and many other markets beside that. It's going to allow us to expand our footprint into other markets as well. And we're quite excited about it. So basically what EPEQ Idle Management again is patented technology that's going to allow us to conditionally based auto start-stop vehicles for the purpose of idle reduction. This acquisition further enhances our position to a commitment to an end-to-end solution from our electrified power products, the EPEQ products, and it pairs very nicely with that. And it also allows us then to be able to provide auto start-stop solutions while doing climate control through the cab powered off of our element batteries. So we're pretty excited about that. I'm sure there'll be plenty of questions for all of you about that, and I'll be available to answer any questions about that after John finishes the press conference. So I'm going to turn the microphone here over to John Dunn, and John's going to tell you about some new product enhancements that we have.